There! Welcome to the greatest fitness channel on earth! Well, top 500,000 hands down. I'm Jimmy, your certified personal trainer for well over 10 years, nutritional guru, and motivational enthusiast. Welcome to Spacetiger Fitness and Motivation! Yeah. Let's be honest, fitness shouldn't make you feel like it's punishment. It should make you feel good, strong, and maybe even make you laugh after your legs forget how to function after leg day. 1, 2, 3. So here on this channel, you're going to find several excellent features. We're going to have challenges that help push you to grow both physically and mentally. At your disposal, you'll have nutrition tips that are easy to follow and actually make sense. In addition to the awesome videos I've created, I'm building an exercise library filled with tutorials to help you move safely and effectively. And most importantly, positive vibes, motivation, and a whole lot of fun. So whether you're just starting out, trying to get back on track, or just need some extra inspiration, join the Spacetiger community and let's crush those goals together, one rep at a time. And always remember, movement is life.